Glory be to God, glory be to God, glory be to God. I am here to appreciate God for what He has done. Because after the court case of Mazi and Kanu yesterday, I was a little bit broken, and I went into prayer in the night, and the Lord opened my eyes and said, "My servant, see." I saw massive celebration. I saw massive celebration in the eastern part of Nigeria. Massive. Everywhere, people were jubilating, people were eating, people were drinking, and the Lord said, "This is what is about to happen." So I came to encourage my brothers and sisters in the East. I came to encourage you that celebration has come. Celebration has come. I want to thank Mr. President, President Bola, Ahmed, Tinubu. I've always knew that you're a good man. I've always knew that you're a good man. Everybody saying whatever he wants to say, be rest assured that celebration has come. I saw it. I am senior prophet Elijah. They call me the Biafra prophet. They call me the generational prophet. I am here to announce to every one of you that celebration has come. I saw celebration massively everywhere. And those that were against this celebration were clothed with shame. Those that were against this celebration were clothed with shame. The Bible says when others are shouting, there's a casting down. To you, there's a lifting up. I want to say congratulations to the Igbos, and at the same time, thank you to Mr. President for this great decision that you have taken. May the Lord bless you. That is going to watch the video. Save this video because you will need it after everything has come to pass. So may the Lord bless you. May the Lord bless you, Nnamdi Kanu. I am happy for what God is about to do in your life. And I say thank you. I joined the Igbo to celebrate. Congratulations once again. And you that is watching this video, I say congratulations to you. God bless you.